Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart the Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in the video description. So we have all three of our lights and buttons at the top. This means that it's powered on. So to restart it, we're going to simply power cycle this unit. So press and hold the center button for a couple of seconds here and we'll watch the other indicator lights. So we're still holding. We have a chime right there for the music. And now we'll watch those lights. They just shut off. So hold it till you hear that sound. You could keep holding it till the lights shut off. But now we're just gonna wait a second for the vacuum, give it a breather, and we're gonna press and hold again until those lights illuminate. They'll blink, they'll flash, you'll hear some startup music, some initial voice prompts. The light will go solid and you'll know that it's all powered back on. So there we go, we got the chime there. We'll wait for some voice prompts and watch the lights here. Still flashing, still blinking. It's still initializing and rebooting, restarting, powering on. Now the lights are solid. That's how you're going to turn this back on. So just a simple restart, cycling the power.